Did you catch him? What? What'd you catch?
It kept following me.
Luca, why did you bring her inside?
Because I want to.
Through the doggy door?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me check it out. Don't let him bite you. Don't let him bite you. Get it out my house!
Why?
I don't want it in here.
Mom put this in my house.
No, absolutely not.
Look, Mommy, move him away.
Okay. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do with it?
Where'd it go?
Okay.
Is that a rat? You have a rat?